Welcome to the Silver Beast. Where are silver prices going? Here we have a chart from 1976 all the way up to today. As you can see, there was a giant spike around 1980 when the Hunt brothers tried to corner the market and silver spiked up to $50 an ounce. Then you see around 2011 or so, silver did the same again. In 2008 or so, we had a giant, you would call depression/recession, market collapse. People flocked afterwards to silver and gold. As you can see before, silver was creeping up to the $15, $20 level. And there was a downward trend around the time of the crash, but then it spiked. Then the slow gradual decline to where we are today, about $14.50 an ounce. As you can see, between the two giant spikes, there was a long period of low prices, hovering between $5 to $10 an ounce. Looking forward, this is a trend we've seen in silver where it does spike greatly based on conditions of fear. And then it kind of settles back down and slowly they push it back down to this lower area. I don't believe that we're going back to the $5 range, but I do believe that in the $12 to $14 range is a bottom. And we are near that level now. How long it remains at that level depends on the economy, whether there will be another market boom or collapse. Ironically, I believe this is a chart to look at for the future. Right now, we are in the lower range of this particular chart. I believe there will be a spike to $50 or more an ounce in the next 3 to 5 years. Here also we have a chart, or a graph, you want to call it, showing your rate of return. If you'd have bought silver 30 days ago and held it, today you'd be up 2.5%. 5 years ago, you'd be down 35% from the price you paid back then, or the spot price at that time at least. Whereas 16 years ago, during one of these low periods, you would be up 233%, or $10.20 an ounce. So looking at this, you can see that silver is a long-term play. If you buy towards the middle or the upper realms of that spike, you will most invariably lose money. A lot of pundits like saying that silver is not an investment, and it probably isn't, but it does secure your buying power. This here can show if you prudently add to your silver position at lower price levels, you can see a significant appreciation during one of these spiking times. You buy it now in the $14.50 range, and in some point in the next 5, 10, 15 years, you will see silver spike again. You can realistically double or triple your money quite easily. Buying silver, you must look at this factor. You buy it for the long haul. You buy it for a point in time which the economy is suffering a depression, a recession, a collapse, in which case it will skyrocket. Your investment in this precious metal will show improvement. If you intend on a 5 or 10 year horizon and just expect slow, steady gains, that probably won't be the case. You have to look at it from a long-term average of a lot of low price points with high spikes, lots of volatility. Looking forward, this is something that you want to keep in mind when you buy silver. It's a long-term deal. Remember, please subscribe to the Silver Beast, keep stacking, and have a great day.